When operating a railroad as complex as Metro North, finding replacement parts for our array of equipment isn't always easy. While we've always fabricated some pieces in-house, we've recently taken the process to the next level with the aid of a 3D printer. With the new ability to rapidly prototype, design, and refine new parts, tools, and other solutions, we've just scratched the surface of possibilities for simplifying and optimizing equipment repair processes and affordably testing complex solutions for our system.
So far with the 3D printer, we've worked with a lot of other groups, helping them with their specific needs. For some of it, it's been our maintenance facilities. They are working on specific projects that require either special tooling or they have obsolete parts that they can't get a hold of. And so with the 3D printer, we work with them to make or redesign something that would better match what they are requiring.
The ability to prototype different parts rapidly is definitely a plus. The 3D printer is quick and we can solve problems more easily, more quickly, and more accurately too.
It cuts the time in half. I use it as reference. I could actually put it up against it so that see if it matches, if all the holes are right, so that everything's perfect. That's the only way we roll it. It's got to be done perfect.
We know that our performance directly impacts the quality of life for the communities that we serve. So we're constantly looking for new ways to improve efficiency and deliver even better service. This program has made it easier for everyone to get involved in developing new and innovative solutions, tapping into the wealth of knowledge throughout our organization. In the first year, we've already completed 15 projects, each of which provide ongoing savings to the organization. We would like to thank our employees whose creative solutions and collaboration continue to move us into the future, and APTA for recognizing their efforts with the APTA Innovation Award.